Hello guys, welcome back. This is Akil Router from Digital FOMO, and today's where we're gonna learn how to create this amazing looking graphics inside Canva. Today's going to be a very different session because I'm gonna take you step by step into the process, and you're gonna do it along with me, right? I'm gonna teach you the first step, and I'm gonna give you some time for you to do, and then I'll go to the next step and I'll give you some other time, and that is how today's session is going to be. Because by the end of the video, you would have made amazing poster like this one. So let's get started. So let's go to canva.com, and yes, this is where we land up. So the first step is, as you all know, let's go click on this create a design, and let's click on Instagram post. So this is the size which we'll be working on. So I'll give you like 5 seconds to do this task. Just go to canva.com and click on create a design and click on Instagram post. Yes, you would have land up into a new canvas like this one. So from here, what we are gonna do is we are going to go to photos in the photo section and search for a red gradient. Yes. So over here, what we are gonna do is, so I'm gonna choose this gradient over here, and I'll just delete this one. What I will do is I'll just click on this and I'll just drag it to the background, right? And from here I'll just double click on it, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to resize this and have it like this over here. So I will give you like 5 seconds to do this task. It is fairly simple. Go to photos, search for red gradient, and pick up this gradient over here. Yes, and just drag it into the background and just adjust it like this one over here. Yes, we need a black gradient in the bottom and the red one on the top. Yes, so yes, I'll give you like 6 seconds to do this one. Yes, so right after adding the background, that is the gradient, the very first step what we will do is we will go to elements over here, right, in the element section, and let's go to lines and shapes. What I will do is I'll pick this circle shape over here and change this color to black, right? So I will have it to the darkest black, and what I will do is I'll click on the corner anchor point and I will just resize this and keep it over here in the center. Yes, so what I'm doing is I'm having a placeholder for the burger, right? So I'll give you like 5 more seconds to do this task. You just need to go to elements, go to shapes and click on the circle and change it to black and make it a little bigger and place it in the middle, right? So after this, what we are going to do is we are going to go to photos, and if you just click on this again, the search will just go away and you can just search again. So here I will search for burger. So yes, over here I'll take this one because this is looking so delicious. So I'm gonna take this one. So if you see here, the circle, the burger looks a little, little tilted, right? So I'm just going to just click on this rotate icon, and I'm just going to tilt it a little bit, like -1 degree. Yes, and I'm just going to leave it over there, and I'm just going to resize this a little bit, and I'm just going to have it in the center. Yes, superb. Now after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize it a little bit, and yes, this looks perfect, and I'm going to keep it in the center. So right after this, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna search for French fries, and what I will do is I will pick this one over here, like which looks like something has popped up. So what I will do is I'm just gonna make it bigger, and I'm going to have it over here for this side. And what I will do is I'm just going to click on Alt or Option and just drag this, and I'm making a copy of it, right? And what I will do is I'm just going to click on Flip, and I'm just going to flip this horizontally. So I'm just going to have it over here. So yes, that's it. So this is your next step. So I'll give you like 10 seconds to do this task. What you're gonna do is you're just going to go to photos and search for burger, and choose this burger over here, and then keep it in the center. So this will take like 3 or 4 seconds, and after that what you're gonna do is go to photos and search for French fries, and scroll down, pick up this French fry image over here, and just resize this, and you can just keep it over here. So you can click on Alt or Option, and if you just drag it, you're gonna make a copy of it. Yes, so that will take another like 5-6 seconds, and you can just do this. Yes, that's it. Now the next step, what we are going to do is click on the burger, or click on this French fry over here, and right click on it, and then select send to back, right? And over here just click on this French fries over here, and also right click and click on send to back, and that's it. It is done. If you want to adjust a little bit, you can just resize it, right? So yes, and then I'm just gonna resize the circle a little bit, and I'm gonna make the burger a little bigger, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is, to the burger, I'm just going to click on edit image, and just click on shadows, and click on drop shadow, and yes, I'm just going to click on apply. So if you see here, a shadow is given to the burger, and it looks much more realistic, right? So yes, let's look at the image over here. Okay, so over here to the circle, let's make it a little grayish so that we can see some depth over there, right? So yes, this is how it looks exactly, and yes. So that's it, guys. Over here, what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go to text and click on the header text, and I'm just going to type my text over here, which says delicious, and I'm just going to resize this, and I'm gonna change this text to a script text, which is feeling passionate. So I'm just gonna use this text, and I'm just resizing it. I'm gonna change this color to a bright yellow. Yes, and I'm gonna make a copy of it, and here I'm gonna type burger, and I'm gonna use a different font for this, a little bolder one, which is this one. And what I will do is I'm just gonna resize this little bigger, and I'm just gonna have it over here. I'll make the top text little smaller and the bottom a little bigger, and I'll change this color to white. Yes. So yeah, I'm just making the burger a little smaller because I'm gonna add some effects to it, right? So this is your next step. Add the text in the top like delicious burger, and yes, so this will take you like 10 seconds, maybe 12 seconds. So I'm gonna wait for 12 seconds for you people to do this, right? So yes, the creative is almost done, and what we're gonna do here is the next step is I'm just gonna copy this text and I'm gonna add a call to action over here which says like order now. Yes, and I'm just gonna resize this very small, and I'm just gonna have it over here. I'm gonna take the burger a little bigger. Yes, I'm gonna change this to all caps, and I'm just going to make it even more smaller and change this color to yes, yellow. Yes, I'm gonna have it at the bottom, and yeah, so yes, our creative is almost done, the poster is almost done. So over here what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go to photos and search for white smoke. So search for some white smoke, and what we'll do is okay, not this one. I'll go to elements and search for white smoke. So here I'll use this first one, and I'm just gonna take it to the top and leave it over there. What I will do is I'm just gonna click on the burger, right click on it and click on bring to front. So yes, you can see this beautiful smoke coming out of the burger. So that is what we want to illustrate over here. Like the burger is like super hot and spicy. The next thing is to the french fries. If you see the french fries, it is like popping up, right? So we need some salt or something which is like sprinkling around it. So I'm gonna search for a dust, and I will just click on this one over here. I'm gonna change this color to white, and I'm just gonna resize this, make it bigger. So if you see here, this looks similar to like salt, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to reduce the opacity over here by clicking on this icon. I'm going to reduce this, and I'm just going to have it over here. I'll right click and click on send to back, and I will just make a copy of it and click on flip and rotate. Yes. So over here to the smoke, I'm just going to reduce the opacity a little bit, and I'm gonna have this. Yes, so yes, if you see here, this looks much more natural, right? So over here to this French fries, I'm just gonna send it to the back. So that's it, guys. Our delicious burger creative is now done. Yes, if you see here, look at the textures of it. Look at the text, look at the smoke, look at the burger, and look at what we have made in less than like 5 minutes. If you could do this along with me, so this is going to be much more easier. So to add this smoke and the salt effect, I'll give you like 10 or 15 seconds more, and you can just do this. Go to elements and search for like white smoke, and you can just select the first one and you can just add it over here. And the next one is you can just search for like dust, and you can just use this dust over here, and you can just add it as if it's like a salt which is sprinkling, right? So yes, right after this, what we are going to do is I'm just going to click on this button over here, share, and click on download. And over here I'm just going to use the suggested PNG size, and I'm just going to click on download. Yes, so yes, let me click this over here, and yes, let's see the output. So we have created this delicious burger poster within few minutes, and you can do this right along with me. So yes, if you have made this, you can just post it in all on your social media platforms, and don't forget to tag me and Digital FOMO, right? So yes, see you guys, see you in another video. Like, I'm planning to make this design with me videos where I'll do the first step, I'll give you a few seconds so that you can do it along with me. So because by the end of the video you would have already completed the amazing posters, and that is how I learned graphic designing, and that is what I'm trying to teach you people, right? So if it is your industry, you'll be much more excited, or if you are a freelancer or someone who's already a graphic designer, who's a Canva designer, this is going to help you. This is going to help you very much, right? So see you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you all. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, just subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you like the video, just click on the thumbs up. And if you want any other poster, if you have any suggestions, just leave it in the comments. Yes, so I'll be reading every single comment, and yes, we'll do a video about it. Thank you.